my beautiful bugs, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. Today we are going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be transforming ourselves into our true form, a fairy. I am very excited for today's look. When I think fairies, I think pastel colors, especially pastel pinks and purples, which is what we have going on today. And as you could tell by the title of the video and my face, we are also doing diamond freckles. I have tried drawing freckles, tattooing freckles, and now we are doing diamond freckles. I'm very excited to show you how I achieved this look today. Let's just jump right into the video. First, we are going to start off with priming our eyes with our e.l.f. poreless primer. Now, of course, we are going to tape our eyes so we can have a nice straight edge. Now, taking our NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and using that as our eyeshadow primer. And of course, blending that out with a beauty blender. Taking this lilac purple shade from the 24A Artist Palette, we are putting that into our crease, creating a gradient from the outer corner to the inner corner. I start off by putting product onto my lid in circular motions and then blending it out with swiping motions. Now taking this darker lilac shade from the James Charles palette and buffing that underneath the first purple shade that we put down in circular motions. As you can see here, I'm using scratching, swiping motions to blend out the purple that we are putting down. Now I'm taking this dark purple shadow from the James Charles palette and putting that in the corners of our crease here, creating a nice gradient from dark to light. Now taking this hot pink shade from the James Charles palette, and we are packing that into our outer corner of our lid and blending that with the purple shadow on our crease. I am using patting motions to put the product onto my lid. I am also going back and forth between our medium purple shadow and our pink shadow to make sure that it's a seamless blend. Taking our concealer again to half cut our crease, and we're going pretty high up with this cut crease. We're actually going past our natural crease line. Using patting motions toward the center to make sure that it's blending well with our hot pink shadow. Also carving out and cleaning our inner corner as well so we can put a nice bright highlight in our corner. Now taking this salmon pink color from the James Charles palette and putting that right over the concealer where we just cut our crease. Here I'm doing patting motions going back and forth between the hot pink and our salmon color to make sure that it's a seamless blend as well. Now taking our NYX eyeliner in white, and we are creating our wing only. We are not putting white eyeliner on our whole eye, just our wing. Now taking our NYX liquid liner in black, and we are lining the rest of our eye. Now taking this sparkly purple shadow called Mic Drop in our 24A artist palette and a flat packing brush, and patting this sparkly shadow onto our white eyeliner only. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. Dipping into our salmon color again with a Q-tip, and we are going to line our waterline with this salmon color. Taking our dark purple shadow again and another Q-tip, and we are creating small circles or dots under our eye, under our waterline. And we are only creating 2 dots in our outer corner with this dark purple. Now taking the medium purple on another Q-tip, and we are creating 1 dot in the center of our eye next to those purple dots that we just put down. Finally dipping back into our hot pink shadow and creating another dot more towards our inner corner. Now taking this sparkly highlighter shade from the 24A palettes and packing that into my inner corner with a flat packing brush. Now it's time for mascara and to pop on some lashes. Now it is time for the best part, and we are just going to take some lash glue and glue on some diamonds in a freckle format. You can see here I'm putting the diamonds on my nose about 1 centimeter apart from each other. Make them look as natural as they could be, considering they are rhinestones on our face. And tip, if you wear glasses 24/7 like I do, I suggest keeping your glasses on to find out the best location for your fake diamond freckles. And this is the finished look. We have turned ourselves into a glittery fairy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next time.